Roofing after a storm is one of the fastest ways to make solid money if you know how to work the system and sell yourself right. So, here's the deal. First off, get familiar with how insurance claims work because most people want their roof fixed with little out-of-pocket cost. You gotta be super clear and honest about what's covered and how to file those claims so folks don't feel lost or ripped off. Next, always make sure your roofing inspections are thorough. Like, check for hail damage, missing shingles, or leaks that might not be obvious. When talking to potential customers, keep it simple and relatable. Explain why a sturdy roof saves them from bigger expenses later on. Also, build a solid crew or network because you can't do it all solo if you want to grow. Don't forget to stay on top of your licensing game. Once you have a contractor's license, you keep all the profits instead of splitting with others. Finally, keep your reputation clean by delivering quality work on time. That word of mouth is gold in roofing. And always be ready to hustle, because storm seasons bring tons of opportunity but also lots of competition. One of the biggest mistakes in storm chaser roofing is overpromising repairs that insurance might not cover, which can lead to angry clients and bad reviews. Fix this by being upfront about what's realistic and what's not. Another common problem is rushing the inspection or estimate process. Missing damage means lower payouts or disputes later, so take your time and document everything with photos. Lastly, many roofers forget to get their contractor's license early on, losing out on big profits and trust from clients. Start working on your license as soon as you can so you can run your own show and keep all that money. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors who get the job done right without the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them directly with people who need roofing and other big home projects done fast and fair.